Hey, what's up guys, Tech Up here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to erase your MacBook to the first ever version that came with your Mac. I've seen on YouTube and comments on Apple and all that, I've seen people that need help erasing their Mac to like the previous version of their, say they're running Mac OS High Sierra right now, they want to go back to Mac OS Sierra. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to erase your Mac to the first ever version. So here we go. And I'm using my Mac from 2011. So I'm gonna be showing you, like right now it's on just Sierra, and I'll show you right now. As you can see from the wallpaper, it's Sierra, and I'm on guest user right now. And I'll just zoom in for you. It says Mac OS Sierra right there. So, and it's from early 2011, and it's running version 10.12.6, and I'm going to be getting it down to the first version that came with this Mac. So here's what you do. This is a link where you can get all the commands and, the things that you can do from, like, to restart. This link right here. And I'll put this in the description down below. So, here we go. Let me just get rid of this tab. And here we go. So all you're gonna do first is hit the shutdown button. Shut down all files and everything. Sorry about the sniffling. I just have a cold. Okay, so when it turns off, when it turns off and when you turn it back on, you're gonna push Shift Option Command R. Shift Option Command R, all at the same time. So I'm gonna get my hands ready, and I already have my hands on Shift Option Command R. So all you have to do, that's all you have to do, and then once you see a spinning globe, let me zoom it in for you. It's gonna say this. It's gonna say starting internet recovery. This may take a while, but it will only take 5 minutes. And there it is. And I'll meet you guys when this is over. So I'm back. So as you can see, it says a little timer right here. It will vary for different Macs. So since I'm running on an older version of a Mac, the older MacBook Pro, it'll take a bit longer to process. So if you have one of the newer Macs, it'll be like 5 minutes, 3 minutes, something like that. So I'll meet you when it's done. So guys, I'm back, and it's 1 minute left, and it will like just quickly go through. It didn't take like 7 minutes; it just took like 3. So I'll restart. But this time when it boots up, it's gonna show, I forgot what it's called, but it's gonna show like, it's gonna show the Mac OS utility screen, and here it is. So, as you can see, and sorry about the background noise, but as you can see right here, I have installed Mac OS X, and I was downloading it. I went from Mac OS Sierra to Mac OS X, which is Mac OS Lion, right here. And then what you have to do is press continue on disk utility, and this thing pops up the screen. And then all you have to do is go to if it says Macintosh HD, then you click that one. It's gonna be on right here. Hold on, let me just zoom in for you. Focus it. Right here on this like top part. And all you do is click that and then press erase right here. And then you're gonna see like what to title it right here. Name. You can title it whatever. And you would always put Mac OS Extended Journaled, because that's like the normal format for everything, and then you click erase. So, and then after it's done erasing, it'll take you back to this screen, or you go back to this screen, and then all you would do is just press reinstall Mac OS X, and then once it comes to this, you press continue and then continue again. See, the problem for this one is you can't get it anymore on the the App Store, Apple App Store, like the online app store for this. So you have to like buy it, or there's another link. I'll make another video for that on how to get it for free if you don't want to waste $20. But if you waste $20, all it does is gives you a link, and then you can download it from there. But on the one I'm gonna make a video on, it already has a link, and you can get it for free. And that's how I got it for here. And here it is. You probably can't see it that good, but it just says Mac OS X Lion. And I made it on just a regular CD. I just burned it onto a DVD. And yeah, I just used it on there, on my Mac. And then all you do after, if it works for you, all you do is just keep following whatever it tells you to do. And then you're set. And then say you want to go a little higher than this, like the OS. Say you want to go to like Mountain Lion or just Sierra or something. All you do is you go from little by little, like the next OS to the next. So otherwise, if you go from like Lion to Sierra, it won't work because you need a higher OS. You need a higher like version of OS. So yeah, so you have to go from here to like the next one, and from the next one to the next one. So you just keep going that until you just keep following that pattern to the whatever OS you want. And this is gonna be the end of the video. If you guys, I hope you guys found this video helpful, because I know I did, because I needed help with this for one time, but I couldn't find it, and then I found out how to do it. So yeah, this problem was hard for me because I had to like go down a OS from High Sierra to Sierra, so I needed it quickly, and then I found online how to do this, and a lot of people needed help, so I made a video. And I know this video will be really helpful for a lot of people, and I hope it was helpful for you. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe, and tell all your friends about it. And tell all your friends if they have a Mac or any type of technology problem, just comment down in my channel or any of my videos, and I'll get to you as soon as possible, and I'll address that problem, and I'll give you the solution too. I hope you guys liked this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye guys.